Hey friends, in this video we are going to do something truly unique and exciting. I will show you how I redesigned the legendary game Flappy Bird by adding manual control to it. Imagine this, I will be able to make the bird fly and navigate obstacles using just my hand. Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of innovation? Well, then let's get started. Before we dive into the creation process, let's recall what made Flappy Bird so popular. This game took the internet by storm with its simplicity and incredible difficulty. The essence of the game is about controlling the bird that flies between vertical pipes, and your task is to avoid collisions. Millions of players try to conquer this simple game, but I decided not to stop there and make something truly challenging. Inspiration struck unexpectedly. At first, I couldn't even imagine what it would turn into, but it turned out quite different from what I expected. On one hand, you need to find a balance between the virtual and the real world. It's like connecting two different realities. And secondly, this approach combines gaming and visual activity. You could, for instance, take dumbbells and use them to control the game bird. The time has come for the most exciting part. My goal is to make Flappy Bird unique once again. To achieve this, I resorted to the help of Arduino and distance sensor. What is it and how does it work? Let's find out. My Arduino sketch allows me to measure the distance to my hand and transmit that value to the game. Now, by moving my hand, I will control the bird on the screen. Alright friends, let's take a look at the code. I have divided it into several files to keep everything structured and clear. Here is one of them, which reads data from Arduino's serial port and sends it to the game. With this piece of code, we link the measured sensor distance with the movement of our virtual bird. There is also a setting file where you can change some parameters, like the bird speed. I have organized everything so that I can add some code snippets to the program anytime. I already have a couple ideas, but that's not for now. So, the moment of testing has arrived. Here I faced an interesting issue. The sensor sometimes didn't recognize my hand. But I have got a trick up my sleeve. I realized that if I use a dark colored object, like a book, the sensor works much better. This secret helped me gain more precise control over the bird. In future videos I plan to add more control possibilities. I will talk about how I came up with changing the bird's speed and how you can switch between day and night in the game based on the room's lighting conditions. To stay updated on all the new videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you want to replicate this project, you will find all the project files on my Patreon in the shop or under the creator subscription. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Together we will explore many more exciting ideas.